On the occasion of the 55th Bank Nationalization Day in India, the All India Bank Officers Confederation, representing the collective voice of over 3 lakh devoted bank officers, lauded the historic decision that paved the way for the public sector's crucial role in the country's development across all economic sectors. During the event, challenges and threats that public sector banks face today were highlighted, as well as the justifiable demands of bank employees who have tirelessly contributed their blood and perspiration to the process of nation building. In Shillong, the Meghalaya State Unit of the Confederation had also organized a press conference on the 19th of July 2023 at the SBIOA office, Bauri Mansion, Dhanketi, Shillong, to commemorate the 55th anniversary of bank nationalization.
Today is the 54th anniversary of the Bank Nationalization Day. In 1969, on this very day, the banks were first nationalized. Prior to that, all the banks were private banks, they were small banks. The credit facility was normally given by moneylenders and by other banks, but then it was only in this year, that is in 1969, that 14 major banks were nationalized by an act of the parliament. So, it is from this date that we started having what we call as the nationalized bank or the public sector bank. Now this was a historic moment, is because after this the credit flow, the banking facility could reach the common man. The whole idea of nationalizing the bank was to give the credit facility to bring the banking services to the common man. So on this 54th anniversary, the Meghalaya State Unit of AIBOC, All India Bank Officers Confederation, has called this press conference. We are also having other programs to commemorate this day. Now, this press conference basically has been called to bring forward two messages mostly. One is to tell the importance of the public sector bank as to why banks were nationalized and how important the public sector banks are. And second is also to bring forward the message to all the general public that there is a move by the government to privatize the nationalized banks. Now, this privatization of the nationalized bank is going to be a threat not only to the bankers, not only to the bank, but most importantly, it's going to be a threat to the common man and to the nation. Because once the banks are privatized, the common man will not have an access to the banking services the way he has been having till now.